Hello, my name is Modesta Akaki Lubulela. I am a Kenyan and I'm a teacher by profession. And I came here to have my hip replaced. Maybe I should give you a short history about my problem. My problem started in the year 2010 when I started having problems walking. And I went to various doctors, and I must say to some of the very best hospitals in our country, because I work in the capital city of Nairobi. And I got treated. I went for physiotherapy, I was given injections, I was told to be admitted because they said my back had a problem, the discs had disengaged. After some time, I don't know why I doubted. I think it was some spirit or some superpower talking through me. Until last year, some doctors from a clinic came, and when they looked at me within just walking a short distance in the room, they asked me to have an x-ray of my hip, and I was told I needed a hip replacement. That is how I came here at Artemis, and I was admitted here on the 20th, had an operation done by a surgeon, a very charming doctor, Dr. Subhash.
So Mrs. Modesta is a Kenyan lady. She is a principal of a school. She came limping to my OPD a few weeks back, and she was having the pain in the right hip joint. And she's quite obese, and despite the obesity and the surgery of a hip replacement, she's doing excellently well. Thanks to our technology, we have used the best implant available in the world for her. That will give her a life of more than 35 years with the new hip joint. And she is walking comfortably just with a stick. That also we are telling her to use a stick. She doesn't want to use it because she is very comfortable. And that's the technology we are using. We are using a computer aided navigation along with the best of the OR and best of the technique we use for a quicker recovery, fast recovery, quick rehab. No muscles are cut, so the recovery is very quick. The only pain she's having is because of the surgical trauma, the muscles has been slightly split or retracted. That gives the pain for 3 to 6 weeks.
I'm able to walk. I'm going home a happy woman because I can walk, though not as I would like, but with exercise, I'm sure I'm going to be much, much better. I've been assured of that. I have no pain, totally no pain at all. I don't feel the pain that I was feeling. I can now walk. I'm hoping to be dancing soon.
And hopefully she'll be doing excellently well in 6 to 12 weeks time. Though no restrictions as such, she can start the school or job immediately when she lands in her country.